Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons! Today, we are going to learn short sentences with short vowel sound. Are you ready? Let's go! The dog is brown. The dog is brown. Your turn! Good job! Mom has a job. Mom has a job. Your turn! Very good! The pot is hot. The pot is hot. Your turn! Wow, you're great! The clock says talk. The clock says talk. Your turn! Very good! Bob likes to hop. Bob likes to hop. Your turn! Wow, you're awesome! The frog is green. The frog is green. Your turn! Very good! The dog can bark. The dog can bark. Your turn! Whoa! The dog is lost. The dog is lost. Your turn! Very good! I see a fox. I see a fox. Your turn! Good job! I drop my toy. I drop my toy. Your turn! Wow, awesome! The box is heavy. The box is heavy. Your turn. Very good. Rob likes to play. Rob likes to play. Your turn. Very good. The top spins fast. The top spins fast. Your turn. Whoa! Awesome! The rock is hard. The rock is hard. Your turn. Very good. The robot talks funny. The robot talks funny. Your turn. Good job. Mom bought a mop. Mom bought a mop. Your turn. Good job, kid. The pond has frogs. The pond has frogs. Your turn. Good job. The clock says tick tock. The clock says tick tock. Your turn. Whoa, very good, kid. I have a lot. I have a lot. Your turn. Whoa. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. Your turn. Whoa, you did great, kid. Keep on learning.